Hello, Johnny here for another card opening video. Today I'm going to be opening a blaster box of 2020 Donruss. And first of all, I'd like to just show the few cards that I got out of my Gypsy Queen blaster, the last box opening that I did. We've got a Ohtani numbered to 250. That is the not the blue, the indigo parallel. And next, we just have this Pete Alonso Tarot of the Diamond. It's just a highlight of my last one. Got to throw it in there. Got to have three. Everything comes in threes. And here is the best card that I got out of that. It's in a one-touch because it is a Bazooka back. And it's a short print. Cal Ripken Jr. I love this card. Super nice card. Really, really neat. So, I've never actually opened Donruss Baseball. I've barely opened any baseball, to be honest with you. And so this is pretty cool for me. First ever Panini product whatsoever. So, here we go. Let's get cracking. So this is a blaster box, and we've got some blaster exclusives, 11 holo purple and 5 rapture parallels. And this product, I have watched some openings already, and it is just jam-packed full of parallels and all kinds of stuff to pull. I love the Blue Jays, and I hope to get some cool parallels of Blue Jays players. And just some neat cards, period, really. It'd be really nice to get some of those. So I would like to defer to my friend UP here, who used to be a Expos mascot, now is a Montreal Canadiens mascot, my other favorite team. And I would say, UP, should we open some cards? I think so too. All right, let's get into these packs. 2020 Donruss. And I just love opening packs. Yeah. Just got out of the shower and my hands are a little... Anyway. Here we go. Eduardo Rodriguez. So I know a lot of people have talked about the design of this 2020 Donruss, the base design, and it's not very nice. And I agree, it's pretty basic, but for base, it's basic. Gene Segura, Luis Arias. Here is the first J, Vladdy. Pretty cool. A Tony Consolin rated rookie. And here's a first parallel. And this is one of those, what is it? It's, I can't remember. But that's a Ketel Marte. And then we've got a Diamond Kings. Miguel Cabrera. Nice card. I like that. And we've got this 86 throwback or retro parallel. Barry Larkin. First pack down. Not too bad. Got a Vladdy. I like it. Let's see if I still have... Oh, there we go. Not too bad. Next up is Luke Weaver. Robbie May. I'm going to put these aside here. The parallels. Real quick. Okay, Robbie Ray. I said May. Jack Flaherty. And a Diamond Kings of Lance Lynn. Oops. Get that in there. Now, Yelly. Now, this is a parallel. It's like a nickname parallel, or like a You see the little symbol there in the corner. The base cards have just the regular Donruss symbol, and the parallels have that red. So we got a Sam Hilliard, and here is a purple holo of Andres Galarraga. And Montreal's most celebrated players. So this is like a retired player, maybe? Not sure. I don't know this player. Either way, purple holo. I like that Donruss has a lot of neat inserts and parallels. Donald Arthur Mattingly. And they have a lot of cards in their packs, more than the other products, so that's always nice too. You get to open a lot more cards, a lot more packs. It's always fun to open more and more and more. Max Fried, Mitch Haniger. So hopefully everyone's doing well these days. We're right in the thick of it in some places and just recovering in others. David Peralta. We've got a Juan Soto, Diamond Kings. A. Bragg. So that's a parallel. That's got the red in the corner. Alex Bregman. Cool. Now, I think this is, what did we call those? Where's that box at? Sorry, guys. That is a Rapture Parallel, I want to say. Rapture Parallel. Oh, there we go. Royce Lewis took a sec to focus. Rated Prospect. And a Nelly Cruz. Purple Holo. Oh my goodness. Focus up. There we go. And a Darryl Strawberry. 86. I think it's 86. You'll have to forgive me on some of these. Like I said, this is the first time, so I've watched some to try and do my homework on this stuff, and hopefully I didn't make any mistakes. Justin Verlander, Garrett Cole, Giancarlo Stanton, and here we've got, I think, a rated rookie of Mauricio Dubon. No, I don't know. It's like maybe it's just a regular card, but it seems maybe like it's something different. I'm not sure. Paul Goldschmidt, Diamond Kings. Travis Demeritte, 86. I think. I keep saying that. Purple Holo. Watch, I'm going to be wrong this whole time. Willie Castro. Rookie? Rookie card. Cool. Just going to keep on cruising through. So, yeah, like I was saying, I hope everyone's doing well, and I hope everyone's enjoying these card opening videos. I would like to thank everyone for subscribing so far. You know, the subscribers I have, it's really nice to see. I appreciate it, and hopefully we can keep it going. Luis Severino, Nomar Mazara, Yusei Kikuchi, Yoshitomo Tsutsugo, rated rookie, Tampa Bay. Jordan Yamamoto, rated rookie, another Florida team. American Pride. Look at that. That's a pretty neat effect. Tyler Brown. And here we've got another purple holo, Jacob deGrom. Without that long hair, it's a little, throws me off a little. Maybe he's cut that hair for a while now, I'm not sure. Lewis Thorpe. So I love baseball and I love hockey and most other sports. I've been collecting hockey a little bit more than baseball, but I really enjoy the baseball cards, and The one problem with that is that they're hard to find where I live. I'm up in Canada, and baseball cards are not the hot commodity out here. It's definitely the hockey cards, Josh Donaldson. So I've kind of been thinking about what to do about that. Aaron Judge. I think might have to switch to some hobby boxes of things, because Brandon Crawford, I was at Walmart, and let me tell you, slim pickings, Lucas Giolito. This product was the only product available there, and there was maybe one other blaster box, Paul Goldschmidt. So I grabbed this, for two reasons, I guess. Oh, we got a numbered card here. Bryce Harper, that's pretty cool. I like that. What is that? 609 out of 650. Milestone 1000th hit on July 3rd, 2019. Bryce Harper. Pretty cool with the Phillies there. That's nice. I like that. And here's a purple holo of Trevor Story. And Michael King. All right, next pack up. That was nice to see that Bryce Harper. I'm going to set that aside here. Maybe throw it in a sleeve right away. Man. Cool. Numbered Donruss. I don't know if these are, I don't know how prevalent they are in blaster boxes. If they come, if the odds are good to get one in a blaster, or they're tough to hit in a blaster. So Yadier Molina, Paul Goldschmidt, just a base Paul Goldschmidt, Wilson Contreras, there's Bo Bichette, rated rookie, beautiful. I like that. I'm going to put that aside. Oh, and a Vladdy Jr. Diamond Kings. Let's get that one aside as well. Jorge Polanco, Dominators. Boy, what beautiful cards these are. I really enjoy that. This is something I'm going to keep going for, I think. Randy Arozarena, rated rookie, in the purple holo. Bert Blylevin. Oof. Blylevin. No, I don't know. I could keep trying, but probably won't get it. All right, next one. Jeez, I was doing okay for a while there. Okay, Yoan Moncada, Matt Olson, John Means, and here's a Diamond Kings of Eugenio Suarez, Anthony Gwynn, and what is this? Now playing, Eloy Jimenez. Huh. That's cool. Now playing. Oops. So that's like an insert, not a parallel. It's yeah. Well, I gotta see how often you're supposed to get those. Juan Soto and Jake Fraley. So we've got 3 packs left, guys. And so far, it's pretty neat. I like to see all the different styles of cards and all the different parallels and variations. That's one thing that Donruss does well. Hunter Renfroe. Chris Davis. Keston Hiura. Buster Posey Diamond Kings. Gigante, that is the Jose Altuve parallel. Mr. Altuve. Yeah, Nick Solak, rated rookie. And we've got a Trevor Bauer, purple holo. and a Nolan Ryan. Okay. 2 packs left. Now hopefully we can get a pretty cool pull in our last couple packs here. Johnny Cueto. Jose Ramirez. George Springer. Nico Horner, rated rookie. Austin Meadows. Oh, and we've got another, it's a Baby Shark. Adrian Morjon, rated rookie. Baby Shark. I don't think they're numbered. Oh, no, that's number 55. I don't think it's a numbered thing, but it's a tougher one to pull, I think, the Baby Shark variation. Charlie Morton and Tyrone Taylor. All right, last pack. Here we go. Come on, UP. Let's do it. Let's get a good one. Okay, Michael Brantley. Come on now, get out of there. Michael Brantley. Gary Sanchez. Rhys Hoskins. Josh Bell. Brock Burke. And we've got our other American. Oh, this is an American Pride, so it's not one of those Rapture parallels. Maybe it is. I don't know. American Pride. Logan Allen. Either way. And a Jesus Lusardo. Purple Hollow. So that's nice. He's one of the higher end rookies for this year. Adbert Alzolay as well, I would say. So yeah, holy cow. A bunch of inserts and a bunch of color. I love all the color. I love all the different cards you can pull. It's super fun. And we got a Bo Bichette rated rookie. So pretty happy to get that. I didn't get any other Bichette parallels or anything like that, which is a little bit disappointing, but I will keep trying. This one was nice. Numbered Bryce Harper. Milestone. And then, boy oh boy, a big stack of color. 86, Purple Hollow. You know, the other one. I always forget. Tyrone Taylor, Purple Hollow. So how many of those? You're supposed to get 11 and 5 or something like that. So I think I got pretty bang on that. And that Baby Shark was a cool one. And then there was another, oh yeah, Now Playing. And the Dominators, that was cool. Jorge Polanco. More purple. Diamond Kings. That's that. So this one, the Stars, I think the Stars is like is it National Pride? Let's see. Real quick here. Let's try and find that. It is Independence Day, maybe. I bet you that's what it is. Probably Independence Day, and then maybe Ketel Marte. All right, guys. Well, that was a pretty fun break. I enjoyed that. We got a big stack we got almost as many parallel cards as we did base cards, maybe even more. Look at that. It's almost like 50-50. So that's kind of neat. You know? That's pretty cool. Pretty cool to get variations. Good product, a lot of cards. I enjoyed this break. You know, I'm probably gonna get some more. Who knows? I might get a hobby box. We'll see. I'm planning a trip to get some groceries here, and we'll see if anything got restocked. But I don't know. My hopes are not high, just due to all of this that's going on. So hopefully everyone's doing well, and hang in there. Uh, I think the end of this pandemic is coming, and hopefully this video can take your mind off things for a bit. And if you enjoy, please leave a like and subscribe if you're not already, and leave me a comment. Let me know how I did with my Donruss break here, and if I missed anything, or if there's some anything you wanna say. I appreciate it. All right, take care. Thanks a lot. Cheers.